The S&P 500 set to log, get this, its 68th straight day without a 1% drop. That is the longest such streak in more than a decade. But what might that tell us about the road ahead? Let's find out. Welcome to Trading Nation. Boris Schlossberg of BK Asset Management and Matt Maley of Miller Tabak are your Trading Nation team today. Boris, you know, listen, these stats they're interesting to me. I like anything with sort of a historical perspective. Do they matter, though? Does that lack of a drop in 68 straight sessions matter at all to what happens going forward?
I think it does. I think the road ahead could be bumpy because volatility is one of the few things in the financial markets that you can count on. It is always mean reverting. And I remember I think we've had the lowest volatility regime since 2006. And you can remember what happened in 2007, 2008. It's almost inevitable, in my opinion, that there will be some sort of turbulence coming up forward. And I think the VIX at this point is ridiculously cheap. And to me, that's a very, very interesting trade.
So it's a little bit too calm? You believe that this may be the calm before the storm, Boris?
There's definitely some sort of a storm coming. I don't know if it's going to be mild or more severe, but it's almost impossible for me to believe that we're just going to have this very, very calm, preternatural calm for much longer. Something is going to trip the markets, and they're going to get corrected.
Matt Maley, agree with that view? More bullish? What?
No, I definitely agree. One of the things that not only do I agree, but it looks like some of these options traders agree. We've seen a big pickup in the call buying in the VIX options, and obviously when the VIX goes up, the market goes down, or at least usually. And we saw it last week, and literally in the millions of dollars. And we've seen it pick up again this week. Not quite as strong as last week, but still very strong. So you got a lot of people betting a lot of money that just in the next month you're going to see volatility. You see the VIX jump up to 15, 16. Even to $20. So there's a lot of banking on that. And of course, as we all know, I mean, the S&P has been in a very tight range for a long time. And as we all know, once you break out of a multi-week range, you usually get a sharp move. And you know,
a sharp move looks like it would be to the downside then. If we get that breakout, something's got to give.
Yeah. And you're looking at the IW or the IWM or the Russell 2000. It's right at the bottom, actually slightly breaking below it. If that starts to break down, it's been a good leading indicator for the S&P over time. So that's going to be something I'm going to be watching very closely over the next few days, especially with President-elect Trump being inaugurated tomorrow.
That's what I was going to say. We have a new administration. Inevitably, they're going to be tested, and I think that could be the source of turbulence as we go forward.
Yeah. Well, we've been more, speaking of airline terms, in more of a holding pattern than LaGuardia when Trump takes off with this stock market. We haven't done something for weeks. We're going to find out, though. Looks like it's getting kind of tight. Boris and Matt are expressing a little concern. Guys, thank you both very much. Do appreciate that. Folks, thanks for watching Trading Nation. As always, I'm Brian Sullivan. We will see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.